And yo, what's Gucci hoes? As you can see, we got a little makeup tutorial for you. Starting off with that Angel Dust Primer, nigga. Put that joint right on your eye. Ace Butte palette. Okay, we're starting with this color. Yep, Put that joint in the crease. Blend that hoe.
It's supposed to be the transition shade.
You heard what I said. Right in the crease. Blend, blend, blend. Use another pencil.
Brush.
See that? Put that joint right in the crease. Blend. Blend some more. Wait. Blend again. Keep blending. As you can see, my name's Diamond. I look like an elf. An elf mixed with a crackhead.
I hate you.
Look at my busted nails.
Yo, you're retarded.
As you can see, we're trying to do a cut crease, you know, because I want to be like Kima.
Since when did you know how to do a cut crease?
Nigga, my last video was a cut crease.
I do not remember that.
Yeah, right, okay, bro. And you never did cut crease until I popped on the scene. What you mean? That's alright. Imitation's the best form of flattery, nigga.
I think that turned out way better than your cut crease.
You okay? Another brush. Showing it to you for like 10 minutes. So you see I'm taking another color. Blending that hole on top. Blend it some more. And wait. Blend some more, nigga. Blend some more. Elf.
Cleansing cloths. You gotta say the whole
Nigga,
palette.
they can read. Y'all can read. NYX, formerly known as NYX.
What do you mean?
Also
formerly?
known as NYX. Also known as NYX. They also called NYX.
You just repeated yourself like 10 times.
Making sure they know. Put on them eyelashes. Look at me. Caring for my skin. Put on that lotion. Cause you know, light skins, you get burnt a lot. You gotta make sure you moisturized.
First of all, you're like maybe 3 shades darker than me, so no.
I'm what they call a brownie, okay? Nice and chocolate, okay? I was made for the sun, sis. Putting on this foundation, you know. Cake face. Big old blender. And she always says beauty blender her videos. That joint is fake. Don't believe her. That hole is fake.
A beauty blender is a beauty blender.
No, a beauty blender is the beauty blender from the brand.
So what would you call that then?
Sponge.
Beauty sponge. Whatever. Same difference.
She got y'all food. That's alright. I'm here to expose.
Oh, okay.
Blend, blend, blend. Look at that. Look at that. Flawless. You hoes wish you could. You wish you could. Look. She's saying it to you. You can't sit with us. And on Wednesdays, we wear pink. Look at that. Why you have 2 beauty blenders?
I have but I thought they were beauty blenders.
I'm just repeating after you, sweetheart.
Anyways, because don't call me sweetheart. I hate when you say that. I use one for blending my face and one for setting the powder.
Special Olympics.
Coming from the girl that says her makeup looks old after an hour, that's because you don't set your face with powder. Oh, and that kind of rhymes, so.
Oh, you think you're a rapper?
Yes, of course.
Look at me holding up the product for 10 minutes.
That is not 10 minutes.
Putting on a little contour. Snatching them chubby cheeks.
You're talking about cheeks.
Chubby cheeks.
With them high cheekbones, you got hush.
What even was that?
It's the brush. If you were paying attention, that's the brush I'm using to do my nose.
I'm talking about the powder stuff. So you cream contour and then powder contour.
I use the powder to set the cream contour, just like I use the baking powder to set my cream highlight. And then also, that's how my makeup don't be looking old after an hour like yours does.
I mean, I didn't want to say nothing, but yeah, dude.
Right.
Taking an e.l.f. brush. I'm about to blush this hole. Look at that. Look at that pink. Swipe. Get like me, hoes. Get like me.
You really gotta keep saying hoes every 2 seconds.
Well, I can't say nigga.
Oh my god. You were saying that too.
Put the highlight on. Trying to blind them. Put a setting spray on. That's the Morphe.
Which I'm guessing you don't use either.
Nope. I mean, the look would be good with lip gloss, but I mean, okay. Look at me, I'm diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video.